Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to make color options in WooCommerce. So let's get started. First of all, open your WordPress dashboard and then from the left menu bar, click on the products button. After opening the products page, scroll down to the product data and now select variable products. Then click attributes button, option, and now select custom product. After selecting custom product, click on the add button. So write the name and the value here and tick both the options. And now click on the save attributes button. Afterwards, click on the variations button and now click on the create variations button. Then go. So here are the colors. You can put it like that. So now go to the products. After saving it, go to the products page again and check out the products, and here are the colors added. So that's how you will make color options in WooCommerce. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.